Zen and the martial way. Zen and Aikido. Imagine someone flipping you onto the mat with absolute gentleness, like a hug that somehow lands you on your back. And just as you're catching your breath, they smile serenely and say, "That's Zen." Really? Is it? Or is it just good Aikido with a dash of marketing mystique? Aikido has long been called the Zen of martial arts. The flowing hakamas, the tranquil dojo, the circular movements. It all looks Zen enough. Add a bit of meditation before class. Sprinkle in the word harmony, and voila! Enlightenment, right? Not quite. What's actually going on here is a fascinating case of mistaken identity. One that reveals how easily we confuse spiritual aesthetics with spiritual essence. Let's start with the overlap, because there's plenty. Both Aikido and Zen talk about letting go of ego. Both seem obsessed with doing nothing while doing everything. Both encourage a kind of effortless presence, where mind and body stop bickering and finally get along. And yes, when an Aikido master moves, it can look like a moving meditation. Serene, centered, unstoppable. But that doesn't mean Aikido is Zen any more than playing jazz makes you a philosopher. Zen, at its core, is not about harmony. It's about realization. It's not about handling conflict, but about seeing through the very idea of conflict. Zen wants you to awaken to the fact that there's no you in there doing anything. Aikido, on the other hand, is definitely about you. Or at least, the coordinated, ethical, and balanced version of you. Its founder, Morihei Ueshiba, wasn't teaching emptiness. He was teaching love through motion, grounded in the mystical ideas of Shinto and Omitokyo. His ki wasn't a metaphor for awareness. It was a kind of universal life force. You don't find much of that in a Zen monastery. When Aikido practitioners talk about unifying mind and body, they mean something beautifully practical. Move your intention and your physical action together without hesitation. But when Zen talks about unification, it's saying something far more radical. That any separation between intention and action, subject and object, mind and body, is an illusion to begin with. One wants you to move harmoniously in the world. The other wants you to see through the very idea of a world that can be moved through. Still, it's easy to see why people equate the two. The Aikido dojo can feel like a monastery with mats. Students bow, breathe, and try not to punch each other's faces. But that shared calm doesn't make it Zen. It makes it civil. Zen isn't calm. Zen is clarity. It's what happens when even calmness dissolves. So yes, Aikido can open a doorway. It can quiet the mind, align the body, and give glimpses of what Zen describes. But let's be honest, it's still a martial art. You can find enlightenment on the mat, but that's accidental. Like finding philosophy at a football game. Zen requires a teacher who points beyond every movement, every feeling, every hint of doing. Aikido teaches you to move gracefully through conflict. Zen teaches you there was never any conflict to begin with. One art harmonizes with the world. The other sees through it.